So in order to measure the exercise intensity, the test that I'm going to talk about first is called as a talk test. This is something that I really like because you don't need to have any special gadgets to measure the exercise intensity. So based on the talk test, so let us talk about what is low intensity exercise. Ask yourself if you can talk easily while doing your favorite kind of exercise. You're operating at a low intensity if you can easily talk in entire sentences with little to no break for a breath. So when we say moderate intensity, you should be able to talk but not sing while doing an exercise. This means that your voice will be strained and your breathing will be more noticeable, but you'll still be able to hold a conversation. So when we say vigorous intensity, it'll be hard for you to carry out a conversation. You'll be unable to talk more than a few words without pausing to catch your breath. I would not recommend beginners or a person with recent heart disease to start exercising at this intensity. You see how easy it is to use this test? You don't need any special gadgets. You can start using this method right away and make sure that you improve your fitness.